Question 5. So I've added all the various forces to the diagram. So we've obviously got the weight of particle P being 0.5 g, the weight of particle Q being 0.75 g, and we're told that we've got a vertical force of 15 newtons upwards. So there's my 15 newtons, and I'm told that we're accelerating upwards. So the key bit to this question, I think, is getting your two thrust forces, getting the arrowheads the right direction. The thrust is such that it's really compressing the rod. We've got this force going upwards, we've got the weight coming downwards. So this is sort of the opposite way round to your typical tension in a wire. So given it's the rod and we've got thrust, make sure you've got your two thrust forces being this way round. Once we've got this, I think it's fairly straightforward. So resolving upwards for P, so looking at P going upwards, my net force is the thrust take away the weight coming downwards, so T minus 0.5 g, so that's my net force, and using F equals ma, my mass is 0.5 for P, and obviously acceleration is my unknown. So I'm just going to park that for now at that line. Then moving on to particle Q, again resolving upwards using F equals ma. So my net force upwards is 15, take away the thrust and take away the 0.75 g. So that, take away that, take away that. And that net force equals its mass of 0.75 A. Now, I want to excuse me. I want to go and eliminate. Well, no, I've got to solve this simultaneous equation. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to need to solve this simultaneous equation. So I'm using this Q1 as is, so I'm calling that equation 2. Back over to this one on the left. I want to make A the subject, so I'm choosing to multiply through by 2. So doubling everything, I'd get 2t minus g equals A, and I'm calling that equation 1. And I'm going to substitute this equation into my equation 2 over here. So 15 minus t minus 0.7 g equals 0.75 lots of A, which is 2t minus g. So then multiplying out the bracket on the right hand side, you will then see that the minus 0.75 g's cancel, and then adding t to both sides, I got 15 equals 2.5 lots of t, so my thrust is 15 over 2.5, which is 6 newtons. So just to recap, this question's all about getting your thrust arrows the right way around.